I just had an idea for lunch and I'm fairly excited about it. Let me show you. It's Anthony Bourdain's mortadella and cheese sandwich. It's iconic. It's super delicious. I've made it a couple of times and every time is just amazing. So let me show you how I make this. All right, the Anthony Bourdain sandwich. We have a Kaiser roll, mortadella, provolone, dijon, and some mayo. So we're good to go. Mortadella is kind of like a fancy bologna. Just want to get 2 stacks of mortadella that's kind of like crinkled up. It'll give it height and texture. 2 slices of provolone. This stuff's kind of thick, but it's all good. Second favorite brand of mayo and some Dijon mustard from Trader Joe's. Then we got a Kaiser roll. We'll just cut that in half. Let's get to cooking. Basically, this is just a fried bologna sandwich. This has plenty of fat, so you don't need to oil your pan. It's gonna release all the oils you need. Fat boy sandwich. Sheesh. You're gonna wanna crisp up the outside layers and warm it through. Sometimes the simplest things in life. We are cooking them. Crispy bits. Then you toss your cheese on it and stack those up. While the cheese is melting, you just toast your bread. Then, once your bread is nice and toasty, pull your bread out. Generous with the mayo. The mustard. Hit it with a little fresh pepper. Now we're gonna add that mortadella on there. And then we just give that a nice topper. All right, we have the Anthony Bourdain's famous thinly sliced mortadella and provolone sandwich with mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. It's absolutely phenomenal. I appreciate you guys hanging out for lunch. This is the sandwich that I've been craving. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and I'll see you guys later. Let's give this a shot. It's so good. It's ridiculously good. I'm gonna go eat this like a pig. You guys enjoy.